Hi guys, it's Bailey and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clean with me / get moved in with me for the summer because I'm transitioning from living in my college dorm to moving back for the summer for 4 months. So this is me just getting myself all comfy and moved in. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's get started. Okay, so basically this is all the crap that's in my room right now. And I have put this sheet on my bed, which is like way too small because it's for my college dorm, but like that's just gonna have to work for right now. And then this is my vanity that I just put back together and everything. More baskets full of crap. Just crap. That's my sister's stuff. That's stuff that like I don't want to get rid of because it's like sentimental stuff or like memory stuff, like, but I also like don't want to have sitting around in my room, so I'm probably gonna put that in the garage. And then this, I want to make this like really cute. I bought this plant. Oh, please ignore all this crap. It's my coffee from this morning. But I got this plant the other day. I found this, me and my best friend, and I found this cute journal. And I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but something cute. There's a chalkboard down there. This is the little like storage thing that I got. I think I'm going to put it in my closet down at the bottom, but I can also put it over here, but I kind of want to just leave that space for like if I want to get a chair or something like over there or whatnot. And then here I just want to put my thing full of clothes, and then I bought hangers, so I'm going to hang up more. And LOL, so my mom's fiance, this morning, there was no rod there, and he literally took this thing that went to like a mop and somehow got it in there, so, yeah, that's gonna have to do for now. Okay, so I got like 3 Target bags of stuff, there's 3 of them. I'm just gonna show you what I got and what I plan to do with them. Oh well. Okay, so I got these lights, which I think are really pretty. They're like flowers, and yeah, I'm really excited about these. I think these are like $16.99 or something. I don't really know for sure. And next I got just these plain black hangers. I was gonna get the more expensive, like nice ones, but I'm like, nah, these ones are way cheaper and they'll do the same job. And then I got 3 more things, and they are all light type things. I got one of these your message here, you know, you can put whatever in it clothes. What I do with that is put it on this thing whenever I organize it and get it cute. I can put it on one of the shelves. So like inspirational quotes or whatever the heck I want to on there. I got this really cute flower light that I'm gonna hang like on the closet rod if I can. So then like I'll be able to see in my closet more. And it's also just really cute. And then I got these, which go along with like my flowers theme that I'm kind of creating. I don't even know, with the lights. And I'm gonna put these like up, you can't see it, but basically like my vanity. I'm gonna put it like over the top of my, and yeah, that's all that I got. But I still have more on my list that I want to get, but I don't want to like spend all my money right now because I'm a broke girl right here. But I still want to get a rug, maybe a chair, to go in that corner, and then maybe a dresser, because I don't think all my clothes are going to fit in that storage thing and hanging up. I think I'm going to need some more, like, space for my clothes, because I have way too many clothes. And, yeah, maybe a tapestry. I want to get, like, pictures that I can hang on the wall, so it's not so plain. And yeah, that's all I have so far. I'm really excited. Well, this is going to be clean. Okay, so I'm just going to put this storage thing in there and start filling clothes into it.
And I wonder where you are. Mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too.
Okay, so also as I'm like putting stuff in here and cleaning stuff up, I'm gonna make like a donate pile, which I already have started and it's already full, but probably gonna donate more. And then maybe a Poshmark pile, and then everything else I'm gonna put in here. So yeah, let's do it. Basically, I just put more stuff in this drawer and this drawer, and then I have my Poshmark files a little bigger. I put some more stuff in the donate pile, so we're just gonna keep on checking through all my clothes.
There you are, Mr.
Yeah, so I just wrote this cute little like Paint Your Own Sunshine thing on my little lineup thing, and it takes batteries, but you can also plug it into the wall, and I don't have batteries yet, which literally all my stuff that I bought takes batteries, and I'm stupid for not buying some, but I feel like that always happens. But my grandpa has some, so I'm gonna go pick them up from his house, and he lives really close, but for now, I'm gonna plug this into my wall. There it is, so cute. LOL, everything else is a mess, but whenever I get batteries, I might put it on this shelf, or the top one. I haven't decided, but for now it's going there because it's by the outlet. So obviously I still have a lot more to do, but I definitely made some progress to that. I also hung up these lights over my bed, but they're not on because I still need to go out to my car and get the extension cord for that one. I'll see you in the next video, whatever I'm doing. Hey guys, so it's currently Wednesday, and I just got back from a workout class with my mom, and I've just been laying down watching YouTube videos for like an hour or so, and I ate lunch, but now I'm finally getting energy to freaking finish cleaning this room. I'm so excited to just get this room clean, so I thought I would videotape this for the vlog. So yeah, let's get this mess clean. And I have all I'm gonna just hit the fan. I have all my cleaning supplies. Yeah, let's freaking get clean. Going to use this and stretch out to wipe off this whole vanity and the window, and I'm gonna Windex it also.
It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for
Hey guys, ignore how I look right now because I just got back from the gym and I don't really care. That's how I look like all the time. But besides that, so it's like a few days later. What even day is it? Like Wednesday. So it may be like a week. I don't even know when the last time I was recording for this video was. But I've gotten a lot of work done on my room. I got a lot of stuff, as you can see from behind me. And I'm super excited to show you guys. So basically I'm just gonna show you guys like all the new stuff that I've added into my room this past week. And like how much was where I got it, blah blah blah. So yeah, and then I'm gonna talk about like my other plans for the rest of the room. And I think I'm gonna end the video here and start editing it and maybe upload it soon. Okay, so in this area, I got a lot of stuff. I got this, I don't even know what you call this, you know, the calendar. Oh well, dry erase calendar. I got this for like $2.99 at Goodwill. Super excited about that. And then I got this really cool Indianapolis, which is where my college is, and that's basically like my view from my dorm building this whole year. And it's like cartoon and like super cute, and I thought that looked really cute right there. And then I got these lights. I don't know if I've shown them to you yet, but they just have like little flowers on them. And then this thing to hold like all my hair stuff, I got from Goodwill for like $1.99, I think. It's really cute. I got that trash can from Five Below for like $4. And then over here, I've decorated a little bit more. I don't know if I showed you that. I got that at Target for like $15. I got that a long time ago at Marshall's. My friend bought me that. And then the other stuff that I got down here, I got this super cute little glass, like random, I just keep random stuff in here. It says I really need a day between Saturday and Sunday. I got this at Goodwill for 99 cents. And then I got that at a yard sale, just to hold like cards or whatever I want to hold in there. And then this candle, some girl gave it to me off Facebook Marketplace whenever I bought my bedding, which you'll see. And down there's where my sister keeps all her stuff whenever she comes, so I just leave that for like her clothes and shoes or whatever she has whenever she comes here. And then I got this thing above my door where I can just hold my jackets and everything so that doesn't cause a mess. And then this is my favorite part of my room is my bed. It's super cute. And I got all of this bedding, all the pillowcases, the sheets to the comforter, and this throw blanket I got, and the tapestry from the same girl off of Facebook for only $45 for all of that. So that was super nice and super simple and easy for me to get. And I got this laundry basket for Five Below. Super, you know, simple and cheap. And then I got this wall hanging, actually from the same people that I got all this from, and it just came with the $45 thing. So yeah, basically I got all of that for $45. So yeah, super cheap. I definitely recommend checking your Facebook Marketplace if you haven't already. But LOL, look at my awkward iPad recording. Hey. Anyway, I got this super cute mirror that I love so much from this same exact girl that I got all this stuff from. LOL. But we met like 2 separate times because she posted them on different days. So this I got for $15. I got this mirror and the gray rug for $15. And I got these lights from Target for like $15 or something like that. And then I got this rug right here for $5 for Five Below. And then my other plans for this room, I want to put like a beanbag chair or just like a cute chair right there. I might put it there too. I haven't decided either there or there. And then I want to get a curtain to hang over this closet. And then I want to get rid of this light. LOL, do not buy this light from Target. I also got this light because it doesn't have an on or off switch. So you basically put batteries in there and then it dies within like 3 days. So not cool. But yeah, here is my closet. Super cute. Oh yeah, I also got this at Goodwill, which I don't really know what I'm going to put in it right now. Right now I just have trash bags to put into my trash can. But it's just super cute. It was like $1.99 little container that I thought was really cute. Okay, and then in these drawers, I just made to have random crap in there. But I got some organizing stuff for this. I got these two just clear plastic organizers that have like 3 sections at a yard sale for 50 cents each, so that was really affordable. And I also got this like grip stuff, so stuff doesn't slide everywhere, at a yard sale for 50 cents, and I was able to fit the sheet that I got for 50 cents in all 3 drawers, so that was super nice. And then in here, I just keep more random stuff. A mirror. There's Dalton. Come say hi, Dalton. My brother. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it really helps. And keep on the lookout for more videos that I'm going to post soon. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Get the drive.
Come and kiss.
Like, keep the light.
He's saying like and subscribe.
What are you doing?
Making the video.
Are you gonna turn off the video?
Yeah, I'll turn it off. Say bye.